Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs and the Idiot Quilter. And as usual, my weekly reminder for Stephen and Walter Live today, Sunday, May the 7th, 2023, starting at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today we have a vast array of updates and topics to talk about. Just came off of my do you call it semi-annual, biannual, whatever, my spring retreat for 2023, and I'm coming down from the high with that. So we're going to talk a little bit about that. That was a lot of fun. We're going to talk about upcoming events that involve us going to the East Coast, possibly meeting a few of you as well when we're out there. And we're going to talk about some other issues that have come up in the news lately or what we have found interesting. So we're just going to talk about everything, and we always do. So I hope you'll join us in the conversation on today's live. So that is today, Sunday, April. Oh, wow. Okay, Sunday, May 7th, 2023 at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.